strawberry. I don't know what the hell happened here. I think it was Milo. Cilantro looking beautiful. I think this is a radish. I just want you guys to check out this sage. What a beautiful sage. Wow. The sun has started coming out. It's more warmer blueberry, warmer weather. This was green. Now it's not green, so I'm not sure what's happening here. I'm gonna sit it up right, and I'm gonna put some vitamins in it when I get home today. Banana tree standing up tall. Another leaf about to blossom. She's growing beautifully. Looks like another tree is growing right here. Might have to pull that out and plant it elsewhere. Might sell it, hell. If I could pull this out and grow it and sell it somewhere, I'll sell that thing for $50. Get my money back. Everything's looking pretty good. I stuck a little garlic, plopped a little garlic down there. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. But yeah, everything's going pretty good. My tomato tree look good. Drowned it with some eggshells. Everything's going beautifully over there. Wow. Let's check out this pumpkin. Wow, look at that pumpkin. Wow, this grew overnight. Look at that pumpkin. Wow. We'll have something out of there soon. Did this grow together? Where is it coming from? I don't know what this is doing. It looks like it grew another. I don't know. I don't know what that did. We'll see in a few days though. Don't know what this is. That came out of nowhere. Lettuce. I've been chopping off pieces of my lettuce. Bugs be in it. So it's growing back beautifully. I don't know what that is, but I'm eating it. Strawberries. My strawberries start and then they die. I don't know what's up with that. They start and then they die. I really don't know what's up with that. So I haven't produced a strawberry off of this yet. I don't know if it's because there's bugs in here eating them. And it looks like it. There's little bugs in here tearing these strawberries up. Maybe it's I don't know what's in here, but it's tearing my strawberries up. There's one right here. Strawberry. Let's see how long that lasts. Maybe because it's over in that aspirin. But I'm gonna put more eggshells and aspirin out here. My peppers are growing actually. See that? Peppers are growing. It looks like a flower right there. Excited, excited. Hopefully I can get some more tomatoes to flower.